guys, we started this project over here today. Harrison started tearing this up before we did the before video, but anyways, we are starting out with today. So we're gonna take this vanity out over here. We're gonna move the toilet over a little bit over. We're gonna build a nice shower over here, and then we're gonna move this door over here. We're gonna move it over about 4 inches that way. This room over here, we're going to go ahead and install a pocket door right here. Open this up over here, and we're gonna get a pocket door inside here. The framers already started their job over here. The framers are building over here. These guys, how's it going? They are building this dormer over here, and basically they're gonna get that done for us. We're gonna come in, we're gonna do the sheetrock over here, and then we got the rest of this room over here. We're going to go ahead and we're gonna build a bathtub. We're gonna set a bathtub over there. It's gonna be closed off. It's gonna be a toilet inside here. It's gonna be a wall over here, and then we're gonna install the pocket door right there. Then over on this side over here, we're gonna bring this all the way out over here, and we're gonna install a closet. We're gonna build a nice closet back there. So yeah, that's basically it for this job over here. This is the start of it. I know we're still gonna start tearing it apart. So, but before you guys saw it, but this is the start of the project. Keep watching, stay tuned, and see the final project of this, and just watch us every day. Awesome, goodbye.
Good evening, everyone. Today we got this carpet pulled up, and that was a bear. I showed up with the rats thinking that it was gonna just pull up like regular carpet, and turned out to be glue down. So that's always a fun surprise. We started demoing the bathroom. We got the fiberglass tub / shower pulled out. There's the old plumbing still in there. We're gonna have to frame up a wall between where the bathtub was and that HVAC system there, which is gonna get pulled out anyway, but we're gonna frame up a wall and build the back wall for the shower there. So that got pulled out today, and got this room mostly ripped out. That's how strong the glue bond was. Pulled up some of the boards, and some of this carpet is still, almost all of it is bonded itself to the floor, so we've got to figure out a way to get that up. But we took out a wall here as well, and we're going to add another wall further this way, so that we can fit a tub on that side of the room and have this as a small bathroom. Build it back up. But that's what we got for today, as well as a nice looking dormer framed out, getting the sheeting on.